Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 39 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Mr. President and my dear brothers and sisters, I have pleasure in welcoming you all to this capital city and to inaugurate this conference on youth and its role in the national development. The theme which you have chosen for this conference is one which affects the future of the human race. During our struggle for independence under the leadership of great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, millions of our young people have made great sacrifices, and so we gain our independence. At the present time, we are facing a large number of problems in our country. Para change. You may be aware that our new governments, both at the center and in the states, have introduced many schemes from time to time to solve many of the problems faced by the youth, especially with a view to bring the youth to the forefront in the national development. In India, we want to get the young people involved in our development programs. We are politically free, but we do realize that the fruits of freedom do not yet reach out to all our people. Therefore, I would like to put more emphasis on development and production. In the last couple of years, there has been dramatic recovery in our agricultural front and all round increase in the industrial production. The success of our development programs depends on how our youth play their role in this task of national development. You are all aware that as a result of the number of steps the government is taking from time to time, many youth organizations all over the country have been made active. Further, with a view to strengthen these organizations, the government are providing financial help. I would suggest that we have to make a meaningful approach to the utilization of youth in the service of the people. We should provide many opportunities and the various schemes of employment. In the meantime, I would appeal to youth to equip themselves for the many tasks that confront the nation. In a democratic country like India, Younger generations should play a vital role in upholding the social values and dedicate themselves for the prosperity of the nation. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.